start a topic, first of all, I will tell you about solution, that what are solution and how it is made up. When we add solute and solvent, solute is always in smaller amount, like any powder form and liquid get mixed, they make a true solution. As you can watch in your video and there is a clear image in it. Hope solution concept is clear. Solutions are also known as mixture. So now we will discuss about like what techniques we use to separate the mixtures. There are a number of techniques, but we will discuss about hand sorting, sieving, filtration, evaporation, distillation and chromatography. First of all, just watch these images and tell me few things like what you understand. Hand sorting mean that manually you are separating different things, like you are picking out the stones out of the things, you are cleaning the beans or cereals. Usually your moms do at home this kind of activity. Okay students, you have to give me few examples of hand sorting and sieving while watching this video in a voice note. Now what is sieving? The second word we use for it, shifting. Like you are making a pizza dough, you have to sieve the flour. If you are want to make a buns or a bread, you do a baking. First step will be the sieving. You will pour out the impurities and pure material by separating with a step taking sieving. Now the separating technique of mixture is filter. We use different apparatus for filtration. The main important thing is that we use filter paper for filtration. Proper lab method, we use different apparatus like funnel, beaker and filter paper to do filtration of different mixture. The leftover is known as residue and the filter solution is known as filtrate. Now I will discuss evaporation with you. What is evaporation? Like boiling point matters a lot. What is boiling point? A temperature at which the water boiling starts, like 100 degrees Celsius water boils. Now distillation. What is distillation? First you should know about the apparatus. These are few science lab apparatus, like one is conical flask, one is round bottom flask. And what we do here, we do two steps: evaporation and condensation. What we do, we pour muddy water into a beaker and start heating it. The water will evaporate, leaving the impurities in the beaker, and the water vapors are passed through the tube, which is cooled down by cool water around it. And this complete process is known as distillation. And last but not the least, separating mixture technique is chromatography. In what we do in chromatography, we take a chamber in which we use a paper chromatography and a solution, and we dip that paper in it. And what happens, from the starting line, the ink will start moving upward, and there will be a different spots which we observe, as you can see on your screen what is happening. In this way we get separate a single drop of blue ink into different color patterns. Thank you.